So this is just a short video to introduce the Chroma LED driver and how it operates and functions, including both the modes, the colours, and how you can set the number of LEDs. So as you can see, this is the Chroma LED driver here. So it will take a 4S battery input here, so I've just soldered an XT60 on for simplicity here. That takes that and it will regulate it down to 5 volts using the regulator on the back, which will then be outputting to these addressable WS2812B LEDs. So these are included in, we sell a separate little kit that includes these and the wire, so it's a nice silicone wire that can do it. And so I'm just going to kind of show how it comes stock, how you can wire it up, and you basically normally wire them all up in parallel so that they all mirror each other on the quad and it looks symmetrical. So I'm just going to plug the LED controller in here. So this is the default mode, and by default the LED controller will come set up to drive 4 LEDs. So you can see here that it's only using 4 of the LEDs, and this is the first colour, which is rainbow, so it actually just constantly cycles through the colour spectrum. It's the first mode, which is kind of like it just kind of goes back and forth pretty much. So the first thing we're going to do is on here, we've got 6 LEDs, so we're going to set the number of LEDs correctly. So what you do is you press the button down, the green LED comes on, you wait till it goes off, release. And you can see we've got 1 LED lit up on each LED strip. So we're going to keep pressing the button until we get to our desired number of LEDs. So we've got 6 now, so then we're going to press it in and release. And now you can see it's doing the effect over the whole LED strip on all of them. It's completely symmetrical because they're all wired in parallel. So next step we're going to do is for a mode change. So for a mode change, we're going to press the button down, the LED will come on, and then we'll release it. And so now you can see the mode has changed. So this is basically an identical mode, but it does it slightly quicker. For if you've got longer LED strips, it makes it look better. So let's go to the next one. And this is what we call the thruster mode. So it will always go outwards, kind of leaves a trail behind. And this is the solid colour mode. Obviously here it's in a rainbow colour as such, so it's continuously moving through the colour spectrum. But this is what you'd often use in a race event, for if you're required to have a solid colour, and we'll go through changing the colours in a minute. So let's do it one more time. So this is what we call rainbow glitter. So it will constantly kind of flash the LEDs slightly. It may not appear on the camera brilliantly, but it does very quickly and kind of creates a nice little sparkling effect. And then the final mode is off. So if you want to disable them, so you're working in the dark or something and you don't want the LEDs to be blinding you because they can be quite painful, that's what you can do. And then you just press again and back to the beginning mode we've got. So now let's change the colour. So to do this, I'm just going to go through to the, you can choose the colour on any mode, but I'm just going to go through to this solid colour mode, which is easier. So for one press, the first colour is red. Then you've got orange, yellow, green, blue, pink, and then purpley lilac, and then final colour white. So this should cover any colours that you need to use during an event such as I-Series in the UK, and allow you to change them quickly with the press of a button. So then you change the mode back, and you can allow it, and it's doing red on the glitter thing. So that's all for now. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions, please let me know.